So, hi, I'm James.
I'm Savannah.
Nice to meet you, Savannah.
Nice to meet you.
What do you do at UGA?
I am in my second year of a PhD program here at UGA. I'm in the Department of Human Development and Family Science. We study families and how people grow up in them. My research is specific to refugee families, and I actually have conducted research with refugees from Burma. And believe it or not, they're actually the third largest group of refugees in our country, so it's very important to learn about them a little more. And in the future, I'm going to continue to study issues refugee families face specific to like their health and stressors they face when they're moving from one country to another.
Beautiful. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
So tell us a little bit more about your research.
I am a social scientist. I study refugee families and individuals. Refugees are people who have left their home because of persecution or because they're afraid of persecution.
So what exactly do you study about refugees?
Well, I've studied recently their resettlement and how they have learned to maintain who they are when they're in their new location. So for example, families from Burma, a country in Southeast Asia, come to the United States. Sometimes they resettle in the South, which is very different than Burma. And they have maintained a lot of aspects of who they are and their identity through eating the same kind of food, through their religion, and through basic community and being around other people from Burma.
So what ultimately do you hope to do with your research?
I want my research to inform NGOs and people who, charitable organizations, but also policy and government. I think there's a lot more that we need to understand about refugees, physical health, mental health issues, children, older people, just the family dynamic. We know a lot about how we are in our own home, but it's different when families have to completely uproot and resettle. And there's a lot to understand about that so that we can better help them, better meet their needs, and better welcome them into their new home.